here, back with another Get Ready With Me. I'm getting ready to take out my flock of sheep. I'm not really liking this year's flock of sheep, but why can't I, oh my bad. I'm not really liking this year's flock of sheep, because they're so messy and they never listen. And then they're always messing around. And I don't really think they appreciate my help. So, I think, wait, I'm looking kind of cute.
After filming his Get Ready With Me, Moses felt cute, pretty, and confident. But he was about to find out he was not ready to shepherd his father-in-law's sheep. He was hesitant and unable to shepherd his flock. Moses was not very mindful or very demure. The sheep were disorganized. They were bad sheep who took after their leader.
Moses, I can no longer tend to my flock. Please, I need you to take my staff, and please take this robe.
Okay, I got it. Okay guys, let's go. Go there. No, 하지 마! What do I do? Yo, wait, why is that bush not burning? Yo!
Moses encounters God at the Mount of Horeb, but it appears he is still unsure of himself.
Moses!
Yes? I'm here.
Take off your sandals. This is holy ground. I have heard the cries of my people and know their sufferings. Come, I will send you to Pharaoh to bring out people of Egypt.
But why, Lord? They will never believe that I saw a burning bush.
I am who I am. I promise to bring you and my people to a land flowing with milk and honey, and they will listen to your voice.
But Lord, why me though?
What is that in your hand?
A stick.
Throw it on the ground.
As Moses threw his staff on the ground, a suddenly became a snake!
Now put out your hand and catch it by the tail.
As he grabbed the snake, it turned back into a staff.
Now put your hand in your cloak.
As Moses puts his hand in his coat, and he takes it out, and full of leprosy.
Now put your hand back inside your cloak.
And suddenly, his hand is clean. No sign of leprosy.
Now go.
Okay.
Over the next several decades, God worked mightily for his servant Moses in transforming him into a strong and faithful servant for the Israelites. As we are about to see, Moses is leading the Israelites in an escape away from Pharaoh and his army. But he finds out he is trapped by the Red Sea and there is nowhere else to go. What will he do?
Run, guys, run!
Moses courageously leads his people across
God is good! God is great!
Moses had been transformed by renewing his mind in God's ways and was able by testing to discern what the will of God was, and it was good and acceptable and perfect. This documentary, well based on true events, has been dramatically adapted and is not meant to represent what actually happened.